Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Genie Magic here, and from the title below, y'all already know what's about to go down. So stay tuned if you want to know what products I use and what products I found at the Dollar Tree. As you guys can see, my eyebrows are already done. And right now I'm going to be showing you guys the products that I found. It wasn't really much because they don't have much things there for dark skinned girls. Hopefully in the near future that changes. So yeah, those are the products that I found. So what I'm going to be using first is the LA Colors setting spray. It says here it helps extend makeup wear. So I'm going to spray that onto my face as like a base first before I apply any other product. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless in the shade 355 Coconut. After I'm finished blending out my foundation, I'm going to take these two LA Pro concealers in the shade Fawn and Beautiful Bronze and mix those two so that I can apply it as my highlight shade. After applying the concealer, now what I'm going to do is set it. Now I'm going to blend the concealer using the same brush I applied my foundation with, and just starting with the ends and working my way towards the inner eye. After I blended out everything, I know y'all see that line on top of my forehead. So I'm going to go over it with the brush I used to blend my foundation out so that everything can look synced together. Now what I'm going to do is take this eyeshadow palette and use the darkest shade out of the palette as my contour. Y'all, I did not expect it to be that dark because you know it's Dollar Tree stuff. I didn't expect it to be so pigmented. So I had to spread the little bit I took the first time around the perimeter of my head and then come back to blending out that other spot. Now I'm going to take this translucent setting powder and set the areas that I put the concealer on. I didn't leave this powder on for too long. I literally just put it on and then dust it right back off. So no time spent with that on my face. I'm going to go back in with the same brush I used to blend out my concealer and pat that powder into my skin. Now it's time for eyeshadow, and for my eyeshadow look, I'm gonna take that dark brown shade I used for contour and the nude shade above it. Now I'm gonna take this mascara. It is so tiny, oh my gosh. I really like it. And apply it to my lashes. Honestly, I feel like this mascara at the dollar store is the exact same thing like what we buy at beauty supply stores or drugstore or even Walmart or Target. It's the exact same thing. It's just in a smaller portion. After I'm done applying my mascara, I'm gonna go on to my lip lining, and it's the same thing I used for my eyebrows. Dark brown shade, and apply some lip gloss, Ruby Kisses, clear lip gloss, and pop my lips, guys. Just pop it. Look at that. Look at that. Hey, pop it. Out of this other LA color palette that I have, I'm going to take that burgundy shimmer color and apply it as my blush. guys, so I really think Dollar Tree got some gems up in there, because look at my face. Ain't no such thing as makeup is too expensive, because Dollar Tree got every single thing except foundation. But they are some affordable foundations that you can get at drugstores, Walmart, Target, and many more places. So yeah, this is the completed look, and I am digging it, y'all. I don't do nothing heavy anymore. This is just a light, simple face, easy to do. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and check out your nearest Dollar Tree for any makeup products that you need, anything. So yeah.